Salam, Jaguar.
Привет, Johnson.
Hola, Johnson.
Jumbo, Johnson Jaguars.
This is the broadcast for June 1st, 2026. Happy June! This month is full of fun events like Field Day and other end of the year activities.
Let's get started with the Jaguar Pledge. I am a Johnson Jaguar. I'm a responsible learner. I am safe, I am respectful, I am productive. I'm a Johnson Jaguar. Roar! Be safe. Cross the street only in the crosswalk. Cars don't expect you to be crossing in the middle of the street.
Be respectful. Remember to use your manners saying please and thank you. Show respect to others.
Be productive. Read as many books as you can, especially on the last few weeks of the school.
Enjoy the show! Bye!
Hello Jaguars, here are some birthdays in June.
Miss Farr, Miss Gasol, Miss Martinez, Miss Rempel, Miss Maggie, Miss Rebecca, Miss Shorka, Miss Lori, Miss Ross, and Miss Hirschmiller.
If it's your birthday in June, stand up.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to school bus. Happy birthday to you. Welcome to Nova Williams.
What I just did was speak to an ASL, or you can say American Sign Language. What I said was, "Hi, my name is Nova." You may be asking why I signed. I signed because my sister is deaf. I challenge you to learn these three signs. An ASL, that was thank you, now your turn. An ASL, that was please, now your turn. An ASL, that was connect, now your turn. Now you have a bridge to the deaf community. Thank you.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars!
Field Day is coming this Friday, June 5th. It will be a blast with many activities.
Bring extra clothes or something you're okay in getting wet in. We will be doing many activities, so bring something that will be good for exercise. And make sure you wear the right shoes.
There will be captains and teachers, so make sure you listen to your captains and stay with your group.
You might even have one of us as your captain, so we'll try our best and make it as fun as possible.
Bye, Johnson Jaguar!
This week will be our 5th grade demonstrations of learning. I'm nervous but excited to get it over with at the same time.
I'm excited for the activities at the end of the year. Also, 5th graders will go on a bowling field trip and also field day. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Mr. Geisel got new students.
Yeah, except they have feathers and can fly.
They're also pumped.
Let's go meet these new students.
Hello, Johnson Jaguars. This Thursday is open house. It will be right after school at 2:15 p.m. Open house is an event you do at the end of the year to show all you've learned. See you at open house. Bye.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars. Last week we had a Spanish spelling bee. What are some of the words that y'all spelled? ¿Qué son unas palabras que deletrearon?
Abanico.
She got first place.
Solo que me confundí un poquito. Estoy nerviosa.
Cabina. Congratulations. He also got second place.
Duende.
He also got third place.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars. We are at the volunteer coffee event, and many students are performing. Let's go check it out. Let's look at some artwork that Jaguars made for the parents. Ooh, look at these amazing cups and these amazing bags. These cups were made from, do you want to take a guess who made these? It was Miss Galvan's class. And Mr. Pavon's class made these bags. Let's look at some pies. Ooh, and cakes. These look delicious. Yeah.
In the middle of the street.
All of you.
Stop.
Hi, Johnson Jaguars.
What?
Isn't that you?
No, it's Olivia.
Oh.
Why am I